might have been injured.
And I'm assuming too, because points 2 and 3 are very similar, they don't want you to go to call an ambulance. They don't want you to go see a doctor.
An ambulance is a perfect example of injury. I mean, if you were taken away by ambulance, it's hard for them to argue that you weren't injured because the ambulance guys are not going to take you to the hospital unless they feel that there's something to do. If you're just sitting there, and if you're sitting there and they take you to the hospital, that's further evidence that you were injured. And so they'll often tell me over the phone, well, your client wasn't taken away by ambulance. So they will use the lack of an ambulance as evidence that you were not injured. And the same thing was, what was the last one you were talking?
Don't go to a doctor.
Yeah. They will use, if you wait too long to go to a doctor after an accident, and too long, I would say anything beyond a week or two, they will poo-poo your injury. And a lot of clients, especially guys, try to man up. They're like, oh, I'll be fine. This shoulder, it hurts, but I'll be fine. 2 weeks go by, they're like, it's not fine. I can't lift my shoulder. They go to the doctor. The insurance company will say, you waited too long. You didn't go to the doctor soon enough, so it must be something else that caused your shoulder injury.
Right, and you'll hear people all the time saying, I don't need an ambulance, my friend can take me, my wife can take me, my husband can take me to the hospital.
It is an expense.
So,
I mean, you have to be aware of that. So yeah, sometimes people forego an ambulance because it's expensive.
Right.
So I would think the suggestion there would be if you're not going to take an ambulance and you are injured, go straight to the hospital.
Go to urgent care, do something that shows that you were injured, because if you don't, they will use it against you.